Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials, your Aiou username, password, and the exact course code. Open the LMS portal and log in. If two-factor prompts appear, complete them now. Once logged in, navigate directly to assignments under your course menu so you don't lose time. Make sure your assignment file is scanned clearly, named with roll number and subject, and saved as PDF or JPEG. This avoids upload errors. If your connection is unstable, pause and switch to a stronger network before proceeding. You are now on the assignment page. Read the instructions carefully because format or page limits matter. Click Upload or Add Submission, then select your prepared file. Confirm the file name shown matches your saved version. Once done, fill any comment fields with roll number, page count, and short notes. This helps markers. Make sure to press Save Changes or Submit Assignment. Note that Save versus Final Submit can differ. If there is a progress bar, wait until it reaches 100% before moving on. You should immediately confirm submission by checking for confirmation message and timestamp on the assignment page. This proves successful upload. Then preview or download the file you uploaded to ensure the content is legible and complete. Make sure page order and images are correct. If something went wrong, try re-uploading a compressed PDF or clear your browser cache. If errors persist, note the error message, take a screenshot, and contact the Aiou help desk with details. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different browser if...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.